Hi, friends. Is your home ready for fall and Halloween? If you're like me, there's something magical about this time of year. The crisp air, the warm colors, and that perfect cup of tea to sip on while you watch the leaves change. Now, I'm sure you're ready to make your home feel as cozy as possible, right? Well, if you're looking for budget-friendly ways to add a little fall magic to your space, you're in just the right place. Today, we're diving into a special Dollar Tree haul filled with fall and Halloween decor that you won't want to miss. Some of these finds might just surprise you, and I promise there are some name-brand goodies that will make your neighbors a little jealous. Oh, and my friend Charlie has that exact pumpkin display in his backyard. And let me tell you, it's the talk of the block. Now, I know what you're thinking, Dollar Tree. How can you find anything special there? But trust me, friends, you'd be amazed at what you can do with just a few simple pieces. Whether you're sprucing up your porch, adding some autumn charm to your living room, or even making cute DIY decorations, I've got you covered today. So grab your favorite mug, put your feet up, and let's get started on making your home the coziest spot this fall. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Golden Year's Lifestyle Hub for more heartwarming DIYs. You'll find all sorts of projects to make your space feel welcoming and beautiful, whether you're just starting or you're a seasoned pro like me. DIY 1. Cozy Fall Wreath. Let's start with something simple, this fall wreath. You can easily turn a Dollar Tree wreath form into something special. Grab a few faux leaves, pine cones, and a bough, and we're ready to create a welcoming front door masterpiece. Picture it, your front door dressed in vibrant oranges, reds, and yellows, welcoming visitors in a way that feels like a warm hug. Now, don't worry if the leaves look a little too perfect. Nature's not always symmetrical, right? In fact, my neighbor's oak tree is the perfect example of nature's idea of perfectly imperfect. It gives a certain charm, don't you think? And if you want to make it extra festive, why not add a small burlap tag that says welcome for that personal touch? It's a simple detail, but it makes the wreath feel like it's truly yours. When you're finished, hang it up, step back, and just admire how it brightens up your porch. You'll be amazed at how something so simple can make such a big difference. DIY 2. Autumn Candle Jars. Next up, we're making autumn candle jars. Grab a mason jar from Dollar Tree and fill it with some cinnamon sticks and faux leaves. It's a simple but stunning way to bring the essence of fall right into your home. Once you've packed in those cozy ingredients, just place a battery-operated candle inside for that lovely, warm glow. Imagine how they'll flicker softly on those crisp autumn evenings, making your home feel as inviting as a cozy blanket. This is a great project if you want to fill your home with a comforting scent and light during chilly fall evenings. Plus, it's safe and easy. No worries about open flames. Your guests will love the warmth and scent of these little jars. And who knows, you might just find yourself lighting them every night, watching the soft glow as you sip on your favorite evening tea. It's the perfect little touch for making your home feel even more like the cozy retreat it should be. DIY 3. Pumpkin Table Centerpiece. Now, for a classic, let's make a pumpkin table centerpiece. Take Dollar Tree's mini foam pumpkins, some hot glue, and a small wooden tray, and you're all set. Arrange the pumpkins in a cute cluster, and just like that, you have a beautiful centerpiece for your fall table. You can even add a few small faux leaves around the pumpkins for an extra touch of autumn charm. This reminds me of the harvest dinners we used to have when the grandkids were little. So many memories around the dinner table. The kids would help me set the table, and we'd always have a pumpkin centerpiece, just like this one. It's simple, yet it always made the table feel so festive. You'll be amazed at how something so easy can make your fall gatherings feel even more special. This centerpiece will definitely be a conversation starter, and you'll be proud to say, I made that. DIY 4. Halloween Garland. Here's a spooky but fun project, a Halloween garland. Using Dollar Tree's orange, black, and purple felt, cut out some simple ghost shapes and spider webs. Once you've got your shapes cut, just string them together, and in no time, you'll have a quick and festive Halloween decor piece to hang up anywhere in your home. Whether it's across your mantle, draped along your porch, or hanging from the ceiling, it's sure to add just the right amount of Halloween spirit. If you don't feel like cutting out all those shapes yourself, no worries. Dollar Tree even sells pre-made garlands that you can just hang up. But here's a gentle tip. Add a little extra sparkle or some twinkling lights to make it extra magical. That touch of shimmer can really make your garland shine. It's such a simple, yet fun way to bring the Halloween season to life. And you'll be amazed at how a few little details can transform your space into something truly festive. DIY 5 Fall Sign. This one's a real beauty, a fall welcome sign. Grab Dollar Tree's wooden sign blanks, and let's get creative with some autumn colors. You can paint it in warm shades of orange, yellow, and brown, or even add a little touch of gold for some extra sparkle. Once it's dry, simply add a welcoming phrase like autumn blessings or welcome fall. And just like that, you've created a charming piece of fall decor to hang by your front door. It'll greet guests with that cozy, inviting vibe we all love about the season. A little bit of twine or a cute ribbon at the top will make it look even more charming. You can even add a few faux leaves or a mini pumpkin to complete the look. This sign is a lovely way to add a personal touch to your entryway. And trust me, when your guests arrive, they'll immediately feel that warm autumn welcome. It's a simple, heartfelt way to celebrate the season and make your home feel even more special. DIY 6 Pumpkin Spice Sachets. For an autumn-inspired gift, let's make pumpkin spice sachets. Dollar Tree sells these cute little fabric squares, and all you need are a few simple ingredients: dried cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg. Just fill the fabric squares with these aromatic spices, tie them up with twine, and voila! You've got a delightful sachet that will fill your drawers or closet with a lovely seasonal scent. Imagine opening your drawer to that cozy pumpkin spice fragrance. It's like fall in a bag. You'll feel like you're walking through a pumpkin patch all day. And it's the perfect little gift, too. Whether you're giving it to a neighbor or keeping it for yourself, it's such a thoughtful, budget-friendly way to add some autumn magic to your home. These little sachets are a wonderful reminder of everything we love about fall. The warm scents, the comforting season, and the simple joys that come with it. DIY 7 Mummy Mason Jars. Now for something fun. Mummy mason jars. Grab some of Dollar Tree's cheesecloth, wrap it around your mason jars, and glue on a couple of googly eyes. It's that simple. You'll have yourself a bunch of adorable little mummies in no time. Fill them with candy or mini lights. And these cute little jars will make the perfect addition to your Halloween table. This is a fun one to do with the grandkids. They'll love making these little mummies with you. Just imagine the laughter as you wrap up the jars and stick on those silly googly eyes. It's such a sweet way to bond with your family while creating something festive. And, when the grandkids come over and see these glowing on the table, they'll feel extra special knowing they helped make them. It's the kind of project that makes memories, one little mummy at a time. DIY 8 Cozy Throw Pillows. Let's add some cozy touches to the living room. Grab a couple of fall-colored pillow covers from Dollar Tree and stuff them with inexpensive polyfill. It's a simple way to make your space feel instantly warmer and more inviting. If you'd like, you can even add a small fall-themed design or word with fabric paint, something like harvest or give thanks. It's those little details that really tie the season together. A comfy, cozy space, perfect for relaxing after a day in the garden or watching your favorite fall movie. Imagine sinking into those pillows with a warm cup of cider in hand, surrounded by the colors and scents of fall. It's the kind of comfort that makes you feel right at home. These pillows will be your new favorite spot to curl up, and they're a wonderful way to make your living room feel extra inviting for family and guests this season. DIY 9 Fall-themed coasters. Let's make something practical and festive. Fall-themed coasters. Start with Dollar Tree's cork circles, and then get creative with some paint. You can paint them with fall leaves, pumpkins, or even cute little scarecrows. These coasters not only protect your surfaces, but also add a charming, seasonal touch to your home. Imagine setting your warm cup of tea or cider on one of these while you relax on a crisp autumn afternoon. They're simple to make and will brighten up your living room or kitchen with just a few strokes of paint. If you have a hot glue gun lying around, Here's a gentle tip. Add a small ribbon to the edges of your coasters for a little extra flair. It's the perfect way to give them that personal touch. Whether you're serving up coffee with a friend or enjoying a quiet moment by yourself, these coasters will make everything feel just a little more festive. Plus, they make for great gifts too. Something handmade always adds a thoughtful touch to any occasion. DIY 10. Halloween bat wall decor. Finally, let's create some spooky fun. Cut out bat shapes from black cardstock and hang them around your walls for a touch of Halloween magic. You can even use some Dollar Tree glitter to add a little shimmer to them. Just a hint of sparkle that'll catch the light and add a mysterious glow to your room. It's a simple project, but it brings a lot of Halloween charm. Here's a bonus tip. Make sure to position the bats at varying heights for a fun flying effect. It'll make them look like they're actually swooping through your space, giving your wall a playful, spooky vibe. And when the lights go down, those glittery bats will really come to life, giving your home just the right amount of Halloween atmosphere. It's the perfect DIY to add a little eerie charm without too much effort. Just a dash of creativity and a few fun materials from Dollar Tree. So there you have it. 10 simple and affordable Dollar Tree DIYs to help make your home feel cozy and festive for fall and Halloween. Whether it's a beautiful wreath, spooky decorations, or warm, welcoming signs, these easy projects will make your space feel just right this season. The best part? You don't have to break the bank to make your home feel special. And I'm sure your neighbors will be asking where you got that gorgeous wreath or those cute bat decorations. Sure, we'll keep it our little secret. If you enjoyed these cozy DIY ideas, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Golden Years Lifestyle Hub for more easy and fun DIYs, and share it with a friend who might enjoy these projects too. Let me know in the comments which project you're most excited to try. I'd love to hear what you're planning for your fall decor. Thank you for spending time with me today. I hope your fall decorating is as cozy and joyful as can be. See you in the next video.